It's Actuary dude over here looking at another exam question. So it first says, state the strengths and weaknesses of using the money-weighted rate of return as opposed to the time-weighted rate of return as a measure of an investment manager's skills. So this is really a textbook answer that you'd be giving. I guess one of the real strengths of the money-weighted rate of return is just that it doesn't require as much info. You just need to know how much you've got there and yeah, at what time did it come in and how much did you end up with. And then you'll figure out what the interest rate is there. But then some of the things that its weaknesses are, compared to the time-weighted rate of return, is that the distortions from the size and the timings of the investment of the new money. So the time-weighted rate of return eliminates that, whereas the money-weighted rate of return doesn't really take that much into consideration. Huge weakness of the money-weighted rate of return is that the formula will tend to place greater weight on the performance in periods when the account size is higher. So if it's got more money in there, then it's going to go based on whatever the interest rate is for that amount of time. And also, the equation may not even give you a unique solution or a solution at all. So it's a little more difficult and tedious to try and find out what the interest rate is. So that's something there. And now to the actual actuarial math stuff. An investor had savings of $41,000 in an account on the 1st of Jan 06. He invested $12,000 in his account on the 1st of August 06, and then at that time it was $45,000, and on the then it was $72,000 at the end of the December 2007. So this is a timeline that I've drawn up, and it goes a bit like this. So this looks to go over 2 years, first start of 06 to the end of 07. So 1 plus I squared is equal to, and we started with 41,000 and we end up with 45,000. And then we have 45,000, we add on an extra 12, and then we end up with 72. So now all we have to do is use Excel to find out what I is equal to. So that's equal to 45 divided by 41 multiplied by 72 divided by 57. Is that bit there? We put that to the power of a half to get rid of the squared, and then we minus 1, which is 17.75% per annum. Okay. So I is equal to 17.75% per annum. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching, and ask if you have any questions.